Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. My name is Layla and today I'm so excited to be unboxing my newest purchase, my latest addition to my bag collection. It's a bag that I wanted for a very long time and I'm so happy to finally have it. So here's a box. I just picked it up and I honestly couldn't wait to film this video because I just want to see it in real life. Oh yes, so the video is unboxing and first impression of my JACQUEMUS Le Grand Bambino bag. Okay, so this is Farfetch, by the way. It says here, Farfetch. Not sponsored, but it's from Farfetch. Okay, and here's the bag. I kind of thought it would be in a box, but I guess no. All right, it's okay. It's okay. At least dust bag is here, you know? Okay. Here it is. My baby girl. I want to thank me for believing in me. All right, let's just do it. Let's get it over with. Okay, so here's the dust bag. The moment we have been waiting for. Oh my god, I can't believe it's happening. This is so exciting. Okay, are you guys ready? Let's do it together. Let's do it together. Look at her. Look at her. She's so gorgeous. Oh my god. Oh my god. She's so gorgeous. This is everything I've ever wanted and more. It's so beautiful. It's so soft. And it says JACQUEMUS. JACQUEMUS. Because I used to say JACQUEMUS for a while, then JACQUEMUS, and I think it's JACQUEMUS. Alright, so I love it. I love it so much, guys. This is my first impression. Like, I'm just so happy with it. I wanted it for a few years now. So this is a very important moment for me. So I'm sorry if like I'm a bit too much, but I'm just so excited. Okay, let's open it. Let's open it together. Okay, and inside there's a strap. So there's a handle on top and a strap. Adjustable. So let's put it on, shall we? Oh, interesting. So how am I supposed to do this? Oh. Okay, so it's like this. I don't get it. I don't get it. There's two of them. I need to watch a video. So is that like, oh, so I guess one is longer and one is shorter? Is that what it is? Or am I tripping? Or no, I think you can be, okay, so you can like adjust it obviously by putting it inside. Okay, like so. I think, okay, don't judge me. I need to watch a tutorial showing how to do it, but I think it's something like this, right? And then we put it on these handles. All right, so here we go. All of a sudden it's longer and I can make it even shorter. So I think the shortest I can make it is like by putting it here. So yeah, it's like, oh, sorry, my microphone. So it's pretty long, like it ends somewhere around my waist. So beautiful. Wow. And honestly, you can just wear it without the strap, just by carrying it like a little briefcase. Love the vibes, honestly. So why I decided to get Le Grand Bambino? I don't speak French, so I might be pronouncing it wrong, whatever. So originally, like 3 years ago, when I wanted a JACQUEMUS bag, I wanted not Bambino, but Chiquito. If you remember, back then it was very popular. Like, I'll insert the photo. So for a while, I thought I want that one. But over the last year, I think, I have been seeing girls wearing Bambino in public, and I really loved how it looks. I think it's also much more versatile and more everyday wear. Obviously, more special occasion, I guess. Like, I wouldn't wear it to a dog park, but still, it's an everyday wear type of bag. Inside, only one compartment. I'll remove the paper. Okay. Yes, so this is how it looks like. And inside, there is a JACQUEMUS tag. And so when I was considering buying this bag, I was also choosing between this and wait, I forgot the name of it, Bambino Long. So the difference between the two is just straps and the handle on top. And I think also long one is longer, but I could only wear it on my shoulder, and like it would be pretty short, while this one I can wear crossbody. I can just hold like this. I can make it longer, shorter, whatever I want. So I chose Le Grand Bambino. It was a bit more expensive than long one, so if you are choosing based on what's cheaper, long one was cheaper, at least on Farfetch. And because this was my first purchase from Farfetch, I actually got 10% discount, which I was super excited about. So overall, a steal. I also heard people saying not to order JACQUEMUS bags from their website because for some reason they arrive in an awful quality. Not only bags, but just in general. So there you go. My advice, order from reseller websites, trusted ones, obviously. Farfetch, for me personally, I trust them now. Now that I know everything was honestly perfect. I ordered it, I think, on Monday or over the weekend, and today is Wednesday, so it arrived today, just a few days later. So the estimated amount of days was correct, and I actually did get it on time. And it came with DHL, perfect condition. Because honestly, when I ordered my iPhone from Amazon, it came just with an Amazon driver, and I was like, you know, maybe DHL next time, you guys, you know. So overall, great experience. I love this bag. I honestly feel like now for a while I'll just be looking at it and afraid to wear it somewhere. Actually, I have a concert this weekend, so probably that's gonna be my first time wearing this bag. Oh my god, you see? I'm like sweating, my palms are sweating because like I'm so excited. So yeah, let's check what can fit into my bag. I don't think that many things, but my phone. So iPhone 16 Pro Max, which is the biggest, and it fits, you guys. It fits. That's already something. Let's throw in maybe makeup. Okay, now makeup. I have my Chanel powder whenever I'm going somewhere. Okay, and then my wallet. Okay, now this is a bit, no, I think I still have enough space. It's gonna close. I'm gonna throw in my lip gloss, Fancy Beauty, my favorite. All right, and maybe keys could also fit, but they're too far. I'm not gonna do that. Oh my god, it's not closing. Oh, okay. Yeah, so definitely not the type of bag where you can throw just anything. Oh my god, isn't that closing? I think it's a bit too tight. Okay, let's do it like this. Okay, readjust it. Okay, I took away my lip gloss and it closed. Did I just make a mistake? Honestly, don't care. It's fine, I can carry everything in my hands. I'll just wear this bag. Let's look closer. Oh, now it closed. Okay, maybe I just need to practice more. No, it's okay. It's definitely your night out type of bag, not something you will wear to work, obviously. So I think it's okay. Prioritize what's important. 4 or 5 things is enough. You don't need more. All right, I think that is everything for this video. So my first impression, I'm obsessed. I'm happy. I love this new bag. so excited to wear it, to style it. Also, the reason why I got black color is obvious, I think, because it goes with everything. And for one of my first bags in my collection, I'm definitely looking for something that is durable, wearable, usable, and black is always a good bag to have. So I love it, and the material, the brand, all of it, loved it. Farfetch, thank you for not sponsoring, but thank you for being a reliable website. But if one day you want to sponsor me, there's so many more bags I would want to get, so feel free to sponsor me. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and maybe it helped you decide what bag to get, because I'm definitely one of those girls who search the internet looking for reviews of anything and everything I want to buy, especially if it's like more expensive purchase. I want to make sure I thought it through. So if you are watching this video for the same reason, I hope I was helpful. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so you can stay up to date with everything I post and see more fashion, beauty, lifestyle updates from me. And thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. I'll see you in my next video. I love you. Bye!